Barnett Whitetail Hunter 2 Crossbow shoots 350 FPS, includes 4x32 scope, rope cocking device, lightweight quiver and two 20-inch Headhunter arrows. 350 feet per second leap. Attract weight, 150 pounds. Kinetic power, 103 feet extra pounds. Actual tree additional camo. Overall weight 6.4 extra pounds. Axle to axle 16.125 measurements 34.25 liters x 18.25 watts. Made in the USA and ships mainly set up. 12.5 power stroke in Trigger Tech technology with 3 extra pounds. 0 creep launch. All stainless steel elements. Notch sensor and ADF get rid of dry fires. Includes 4x32 extent, rope cocking tool, lightweight quiver, two 20-inch Headhunter arrows, lube wax. We suggest you lube strings every 10 shots. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.